Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am live today from Estate Experts and I'm your host. So, this specific location is DLF Phase 2. We're in the heart of the city, Gurugram region. This is connected with the main golf course, Cyber City, NH8 and the MG Road, which is the center. This plot size is 300 square yards, a 4-bedroom hall, kitchen, dining, drawing. Let's get started. ये जहाँ पर मैं इस समय खड़ा हूँ, this is the formal living space of the house and this is also bifurcated with the dining space on the other side. ये पूरा का पूरा floor पे आप देखोगे, you talk about the surface of the floor, it's all Italian which is used. Left side you've got one air conditioner, the right side you've got the another one. ये सामने में पूरा glass का design दिया है, इसके सामने में you've got an open kitchen. You talk about the ceiling design. The ceiling design is something different. It's like a flower design in the center and the rectangular from all the sides. You've got the engineered wood on the top of the ceiling. Lights का काम बहुत अच्छे से करा हुआ है. And you talk about this engineered wood, काफी beautifully तरीके से design करी हुई है. इधर में you've got a small floating shelf, a huge floating shelf. This is an Italian stone. ये आपके cabinetries यहाँ पर दे दिए. You see all the cabinets are there inside. There are 2, 3, 4 more cabinets to keep your storage. Possibly ये cutlery वगैरह आप यहाँ पर रख सकते हैं. यहाँ पर मैं आपको एक antique piece भी लगा सकते हैं. You talk about the modular switches, all branded quality. This is also connected with the window in the balcony with the front. This is the mesh door which will protect you from the mosquitoes. This is the balcony space. On the right hand side you will see this wall is white. This is all textured. Overall the ceiling wall is simple in color, white color. You've got 3 LED lights. Metal का पूरा इन्होंने railing दिया है. Granite top है पूरा का पूरा. इसके ऊपर भी railing के साथ में natural stone granite is placed. You've got 2 lights out here. Then you've got that wet area with the drainage vessel. थोड़ा सा एक बारी surrounding दिखा दीजिए please. This is a green, serene place. The surroundings of the property looks to be more beautiful. In the morning hours, it's gonna be more pleasant in the evening too. So, the fans are all by Havells on the ceiling. This is the dining section. As I stated you before, let's get into the first bedroom of the house, which is the master bedroom. This is the first bedroom of the house. Italian on the surface. This wall has a wallpaper encrypted. This is a plain wall given here. You've got Daikin air conditioner. You have the modular switches. The ceiling is rectangular in design. The another part that I want to cover up is this is the balcony, which is commonly shared with the formal living space. Once again we are here out. वो जो वायर्स लटक रही हैं सामने एक बारी दिखा दीजिए. वो एक्सटर्नल लगेगा आपका एसी का. इधर में आपका वॉशरूम है. इसका ये एग्जॉस्ट फैन दिया हुआ इधर से. विल शो यू नाउ अ ब्यूटीफुल थिक क्वालिटी वॉलपेपर. दिस इज योर वार्डरोब सेक्शन, क्लोजेट जिसको हम कहते हैं. इधर से एक बार आके दिखा दीजिए. You've got the space bifurcated in the cabinets. That's your huge glass which is given. This is a beautiful washroom. पूरा का पूरा अगर देखा जाए यहाँ पर स्टोन वर्क है, कोई टाइलिंग का काम नहीं है. Italian on the surface, left right all stone work given. This is your ACP which is given here for the shiner. This is your towel stand. This is a glass partition which you will get. Rain head, that's a wall mount rain head. All the fittings are by Kohler. Again Geberit Kohler. This vanity is so beautiful. बहुत सुंदर लग रही है vanity. This is the space to keep your morning kits. You talk about the geyser is by Crompton. एक बड़ा सा ग्लास दिया हुआ है, इतना शानदार लग रहा है जिसकी कोई हद नहीं. यहाँ टाल स्टैंड है आपका. So this is the first bedroom of the house. You want to consider this as the master bedroom, you're good to go, because I would want to consider this as a master bedroom. Why? Because I want the natural light should flow inside my home every single morning. Let's get inside to the second phase. This is the foyer area where we started to shoot. This is a small engineered wood design given here in the forefront of the main door. The ceiling that you talk about, it's pretty much simple, square in shape, and you've got a chandelier followed on the ceiling. A beautiful chandelier which you've got so many bulbs out here. This is the wallpaper on the right hand side. You talk about the surface. That is Italian, this is Italian, this is Italian, but the design which is given here, this is a diamond cut design which has a multicolor design in it. So this is the place where we've landed now. This is your temple area. इधर घंटियाँ वगैरह छोटा सा लगाया हुआ है. ईश्वर की आप आराधना करिए, पूजा करिए, ईश्वर आपको बरकत दे, दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी तरक्की दे. ये आपका वॉलपेपर है. इधर में आप अच्छा सा डिज़ाइन बना सकते हैं अगर चाहें तो, चैनल वाला. ये आपके कैबिनेटरीज हैं. ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी नाइस. सो यू अगेन हैव अ स्पेस डाउन देयर. नीचे में भी आपको स्पेस मिलता है. सो लेट्स गेट इनसाइड द second room, bedroom of the house. This is a small second bedroom. This is a tile which is given here. इधर में ये tile है. This is not a wooden flooring. This is a tile. A decent wooden flooring color tile, teak brown है. ये आपका wallpaper दिया हुआ है. Again, you've got the square design for the ceiling. You've got this wardrobe closet. This is a good quality material used. This is a glass. ये आपका deco paint है. Beautiful. This has a small. This cannot be considered as a balcony, but yes, this can be considered as an area where you might want to go and sit out for some time, because this will give you a breather. This is the place for your air conditioning system. It will be installed. एक घर में होता है जब डेवलपर बनाता है वहाँ पर शाफ्ट निकलती है. ये शाफ्ट वाला ही एरिया है. इसको आप कवर करके कुछ यूटिलाइजेशन भी कर सकते हैं क्योंकि नीचे में गाड़ियाँ ही खड़ी हैं. लेफ्ट में एक प्लॉट खाली है. दिस विल गेट कंस्ट्रक्टेड वेरी सून. सो दिस एयर इज गोना गेट ब्लॉक इन द नियर फ्यूचर. लेट मी बी प्रिसाइज. On the right wall you'll see all texture. जाल कवर करा हुआ है for your safety measure. This is all tile work given here. This has a mesh door as well. Let's get inside the third bedroom of the house. This is your third bedroom of the house, wherein you get the Italian on the surface. The right wall and left wall stays empty. This is your closet. This has a square shaped design which is looking beautiful on the ceiling. We'll also get an air conditioner there by Daikin. This is the backside window, and this is the backside balcony. This is a huge balcony shared with your fourth bedroom of the house. एयर कंडीशनर का आपका स्प्लिट का एक्सटर्नल्स लगे हुए हैं इधर भी और उधर भी. ये मेटल की रेलिंग है. यहाँ पर मैं शायद अभी जाल भी लगेगा, which I'm not so sure. I have to get this clarified with the developer because there is a back-to-back plot. So for your safety, since till the time this will not get constructed, I guess the developer might give you a safety measure. This is your wet area where the drainage vessel takes place. So let's get inside the third room of the house. ये आपका metal का railings है, पूरा heavy railings है. This is your UPVC once again. You've got Havells का fan. This is commonly shared with the powder room. This is also considered as the powder room since you have the entrance area approaching very nearby. This is the shower area. You've got fittings all by Kohler. You've got a glass partition out here. This is a sensor operated. Beautiful. ये बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है भाई. देखो एक बारी दोबारा दिखा देता हूँ. 1 2 3. This is how the lights are gonna flow. The illumination सारा का सारा बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है डिज़ाइन. You've got a beautiful vanity. You talk about the storage space. You've got storage space out here at the down. And this is again a drawer. You've got the ventilation window. You've got an exhaust fan out here. You've got the wall mount commode seat. So these are all tiles given here inside this specific third bedrooms, washroom, along with the rain head which is given on the top. Let's get inside this once. So once we step out from here, if you want to access the powder room, this is on your right hand side towards this way. So let's get inside the fourth bedroom of the house. This is on the left, you've got the wallpaper. On the right wall stays empty, this wall stays empty, this wall stays empty for your customization. You've got Daikin ka air conditioner. This is the closet section, which you call your wardrobe. Let's get inside to the fourth bedroom's washroom. This is a beautiful vanity given here. This is a granite or an Italian top, which is looking beautiful with the vanity. You've got a diamond cut huge glass followed by an LED exhaust fan by Usha. This is your shower section. ये आपका रेन हेड दिया हुआ है, वॉल माउंट कॉलर की फिटिंग्स हैं. A huge space inside this washroom. ये आपका stands put still. This doesn't move a muscle. This is by Geberit, all fittings by Grohe. Crompton का आपका geyser है. You've got the ventilation shaft. This is all about this one. So this is the final space which is left. This is the kitchen space. This kitchen is a huge kitchen out here, chimney hob by Whirlpool. You've got your home appliances by Whirlpool. Here is your OTG. This is your microwave oven. This is the grooving system space for your cabinets. ये पूरा cabinets दिया हुआ है आपका space के लिए. Again another space out here. इधर में space आप देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पर में भी इस तरफ. This is to keep your cutlery stuff. This space to keep your multi-grains, raisins and pepper, salt. Again there is another space. Again a shelf out here, you can keep anything. This is your pocket window, a slider window for the ventilation. A granite top which is stain free. This is your washer's vessel. It's simple, it's quite a simple. This is the place where you need to keep your refrigerator. That's your geyser that we have placed. यहाँ पर मैं आपका normal दिया हुआ है. You've got fan by a standard company. This is Italian on the surface. So finally, to sign off, you were watching Anupam from Estate Experts. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Thank you so very much. Keep watching us for the new videos.